Good morning, students. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss Microsoft Word 2010, and today I related to topic changing font style. My dear student, you watch the video, so this is the easy understand कि what is the changing in the font style. My dear student, my first question: what is the font? What is the font? Font means the character information. I write down. Font means font means the character information. Character not for the information, formation. That is the style used for typing in the document. Font are mainly related to character formation. Character formation, which means character formation. Suppose you any such type of written in the text and you change to the text style, you change to the color text. So there are so many such type of option in related to the font group. My dear student, the default font type, the default font type used for typing, used for typing in Word document, is called Calibri font. So font means character formation, that is you change to the style, you change to typing a style in Word document. The default font type used for typing in Word document, it is called to the Calibri. First of all, how to change to the text. First question: select the text, select the text to change in default, select the change in, select the change its default font type. Suppose I write down Microsoft Word, for example. Microsoft Word is developed by Microsoft company. Microsoft company. Suppose this is the right to the sentence. Without select in this sentence, there is no any such type of change to the, no any such type of text changes. Text changes means text different style mode changes, writing changes, color changes. There are so many such type of changes. Second, click the font list. Click the font list. These font list are this type of option in front of you. You go to the word home tab and this is the font list option, and this is the click in this option. There are so many options in front of you. One dialog box open in front of you and you just select to the any such type of font. My last drop box in the font group on the home tab. Last, the list show the various font. Click the desired font style to apply all the selected text. So this is the font, changing the font style. So first of all, what is the font? I again repeat, font means the character formation that is for used for typing in the change in the text typing. The default font style is the Word document. It is called the Calibri font. How to change to the? So first of all, you select to the without select to the object. There is no any such type of changing. Suppose I write down to the in the all over document, and if and I want to change in the this type of the particular text. So I just in select to the all such type of text and you go to the font list. You go to the font list. This is the font list, and this is the one dialog box in front of you, and you just click in this area. There are so many such type of font, and these font list are related to the under to the home tab. Under to the home tab, you just click in this area. There are so many such type of font in available in this screen. So you just click to the one such type of font and then apply to the selected text. So this is the end of your topic, changing font style. Thank you so much.